really cool and crazy things happen for you when you have internally convinced yourself, like, yes, God's got me, yes, Mother Earth got me. What so what if I do not see the result right now? So what if I do not see the money that I desire coming for me right now? I do not need the outer proof. I know God's got me. I know Mother Earth got me. This is faith. Like, even when you do not see the things happening outside of you, but you have internally convinced yourself so much that the fear and the delay is not able to paralyze you. Like, you won already. If you have convinced yourself that much, it's just a matter of time. It's just a matter of the time that outside things start moving for you. But and if you are following your dreams, if you are doing something that has never been done before, because you don't know, and there is no, you have not read any book of for your life. It's your life is being written as you are taking these steps, right? And it's unknown, but you're still moving forward. It's like, whoa, it's magic, it's real magic. And and anyone who's following their dreams and doing all these things, you gotta building this ability to believe in something that is not being seen. You will be tested on it. How will you be tested? It's like, oh my god, my bills are coming closer and I don't see the money coming in. Oh my god. uh, delays. All these things are tests. Do not, they are not the proof that you're failing. No, you're not failing. In those moments, just reaffirm, like, I know God's got me, I know Mother Earth got me. I do not need the outer proof. I know I have always been guided and always been led. And you gotta also, like, for me in my journey, I have to become okay with guidance and inspiration of things working out different way than I thought. The outcome that I sometimes, like, the outcome that I thought did not happen. So for example, when I started my business, I thought, or my I started my YouTube channel, my outcome was safety. Like, I felt like I will get, first of all, I'll make the money overnight, I'll become famous overnight. And then I just felt like it will get me safety, you know and that didn't happen, of course. What did happen was, I became vulnerable, I became honest. you know my fear of getting fail in front of people and getting embarrassed, that got healed. My survival fears, that I had, the scarcity wounds in my family lineage around money, around food, and people, how, because there is, in my ancestry lineage, there is so much unsafety around people. People are not safe with people. They don't feel safe with their parents, their own siblings, their own children. There is just fear with human beings. And that started to show up, and I started to heal that, and I got the courage to dive deep into those fears. And so those things started to happen, and I was like, whoa, wow, this feels good, this feels calmer. And a real win is to be able to be yourself. When we have to pretend and perform, there is no joy. But when we are able to be ourselves, wow, there's so much calmness, and the sensation of peace, real peace, takes over, because you just have to be yourself. That started to happen. So I was like, oh, I want to make the money, I want to get famous and all of that. But wow, much bigger things happened, you know and I learned a lot. And so, we have certain outcome in our mind, and God has bigger outcome. Like, God has more magic. Like, we have to throw the plan that we have and the outcomes that we have and the desires also that we have. And I'm not saying that don't have goals, don't have desires, have them, but also know God has bigger plan. Like, Mother Earth knows the timing for what we want perfectly, and she knows better. Like, God knows better, Mother Earth knows better. Do not get discouraged when you see things not going your way, because even if the things are not going the way you wanted them to go, but they are still going your way in a bigger picture. They are going in a way that, like, the way God's gonna make you happier, Mother Earth is gonna make you happier and fulfilled and content. You know, wow. We can't even comprehend, we can't think, but it's always gonna be bigger, better, and more magical than we are expecting it to be. So, in the times of delays and uncertainty, it is very easy to feel shaken and all. And I know that, because I'm like, oh my god, I only have the money for one day, I have this, and I don't see anywhere. I have these days, okay? And I can tell you, do not get shaken. Do not get shaken, because you're so well taken care of. Do not let fear convince you. Do not be discouraged. And your internal faith in those moments, you have to faith, you affirm, you reaffirm, like, I know God's got me. There have been more challenging times, and God has led me through all of them. So I know God is leading me through this also. I do not need the outer proof. Like, this should be your self talk. And wow, boom, 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 boom. Big magic. You create big magic for you with your faith. And you strengthen your faith with affirmations and, like, just getting into that energy, and it's different for everybody, but getting out in nature, praying, reaffirming, all these things strengthen your faith. But you make big magic happen for you through your faith. Like, whoa, fear, the purpose of fear and delay and failure, like, failure is like something not working out the way you want it to be. The purpose of it is, could be just to stop you, right? To stop you from trying. But when you are reaffirming, when you are saying, like, gods and goddesses of self love, guide me, take my mind, take my body, take my heart to the best of the best outcome, my god, you will be inspired, and you